While starting your day with a glass of lemon water has become a widely recommended health tip, touted for its numerous benefits such as aiding digestion, enhancing hydration, and boosting vitamin C intake, it's important to understand that lemon water isn't suitable for everyone. Before you make it a part of your daily routine, let's dive into why lemon water might not be your cup of tea. Understanding lemon water. Lemon water is simply water mixed with fresh lemon juice. It's favored for its refreshing taste and health benefits. However, despite its popularity, certain individuals should approach lemon water with caution or avoid it altogether. And remember, if you're finding this information helpful and want to learn more about natural health remedies and tips, make sure to subscribe to Natural Healing Guides and click the notification icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Don't miss out on enhancing your wellness journey. The acidity of lemon water. One of the primary reasons lemon water might not be suitable for everyone is its high acidity. Lemons are citrus fruits, making lemon water highly acidic, which can lead to or exacerbate certain health issues. Impact on dental health. The acid in lemon water can erode tooth enamel over time, leading to increased sensitivity, cavities, and other dental problems. If you're already experiencing dental issues or have sensitive teeth, drinking lemon water, especially in large amounts, might not be the best choice. Gastrointestinal issues. For individuals with gastrointestinal conditions like acid reflux or ulcers, the acidity of lemon water could worsen symptoms. Acidic foods and beverages can irritate the lining of the stomach and esophagus, leading to discomfort, heartburn, or exacerbation of existing conditions. Potential interactions with medications. Lemon water can interact with certain medications, altering their effectiveness. For example, the high vitamin C content and acidity might interfere with drugs that require a specific pH balance to work correctly. Always consult with a healthcare provider before adding lemon water to your routine if you're on medication. And if you're enjoying this deep dive into the pros and cons of lemon water and how it might affect different individuals, be sure to subscribe to Natural Healing Guides. Click the notification icon so you won't miss out on valuable insights that could make a significant difference in your health and wellness journey. Lemon water and allergy. Though rare, some people might be allergic to lemons or citrus fruits, with reactions ranging from mild to severe. If you notice any allergic symptoms after consuming lemon water, such as itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to eliminate it from your diet and consult a healthcare professional. Kidney stones. Lemon water contains oxalates, naturally occurring substances that can crystallize and lead to kidney stones in susceptible individuals. If you have a history of kidney stones, especially oxalate stones, you might need to moderate your intake of lemon water or discuss it with your doctor. How to safely enjoy lemon water. If you're not among those who should avoid lemon water, there are ways to enjoy its benefits while minimizing potential risks. Use a straw to drink lemon water to protect your tooth enamel. Rinse your mouth with plain water after drinking lemon water. Start with a lower concentration of lemon juice and gradually adjust according to your tolerance. Monitor your body's response to lemon water, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Lemon water is a simple, refreshing beverage that can offer numerous health benefits. However, it's not suitable for everyone. Paying attention to your body's reactions and consulting with a healthcare provider if you have concerns about how lemon water might affect you is essential. By understanding and respecting your body's needs, you can make informed choices about incorporating lemon water into your health regimen. And don't forget, for more insightful tips on natural health remedies and to stay informed about how to navigate your health and wellness safely, subscribe to Natural Healing Guide. Hit the notification icon so you never miss out on our latest videos packed with information to help you on your path to a healthier life.